Good evening, folks. It's time for some more development of Groenland, and welcome to the stream. And tonight we are going to take a look through some of our assets, and we are going to decide what we're going to use regarding animations. We may retarget some, and we'll see if we've got any animation blueprints that we can work with. Okay, so one of the things that I'm going to work with first is we have this infected zombie, and that's actually not the one I want to deal with, or maybe it is. I think it's the mutant. The mutant is the one that has animations. Okay, so we can probably deal with that one. But we do want to see what its walk is like first. And basically take it from there. Right, that's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. And now we want to have a look at our infected zombie, which does not have AI at all. So I don't know. I think I actually created this because this was the mesh that I thought was a bit more in keeping. With our game. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this demo, okay, and we're going to get rid of all this because this is just the standard third person blueprint, which we are not going to use, but we're going to check it out first. And yep, that's your standard blueprint. Nothing special about that. So we're going to test out with this first, but the first thing we're going to do is, and this is good practice for you guys, is to basically tidy this stuff up. There's all of these third person controllers, mannequins again, all the stuff that people put in their assets so that you've got at least a start off point, but you've got them anyway if you start a third person project with the starter content. You've got all this anyway, so I have already deleted them, these same things, out of every single one of our folders, and that's going to save us some time and space later on. Does take a minute, but keeps us all tidy. Wow. Okay. Now that is scary because that is actually our start map. But I'm going to delete that. Right, and I'll face the consequences later. If it makes any difference. I think it's just because there's one of these characters in it, right? But we're not going to use these characters anyway, So basically my level designer can just take that character out the map if they were playing with it. It's better to get rid of it now, so we're going to do that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe. I am 2 subscribers short of 600. It would be great if I could hit it tonight. I'll have a little celebratory beer after the stream if I manage to do that. So, having a little look at things here while that's deleting. Okay. Right. So, our next thing is, so we're not going to work on a mutant dog. We're just going to work on this mutant. Sorry, the infected zombie. Okay. And these animations, we are going to retarget them all. Okay. And that is going to be we're going to retarget them to the infected zombie. Okay. So we right click, retarget, duplicate and retarget. And that's not good. Do I have to do these one by one? Make sure you have if you don't look alike, then you can edit it. So that's not good. Okay, can we do one? Let's see if we can do one. Apparently not. So that's not good. So it's using this SK mutant skeleton. Alright. Retarget manager. Select rig. Select humanoid rig. Okay. So we have updated this. We've selected our humanoid. And where do we do the go button? Okay. Target. So auto map. Okay. Can we save this? We save this. And we'll put it into here. Right, and we'll say infected mapping. So now if we go into here, right, and we go to animation, okay, and we go to here, and then we'll do our idle, retarget, and to here. Preview mesh state, okay, whatever. So I've not quite done this right. Retarget source name. Okay. So it's SK mutant 01. We set that, we auto mapped it. Okay. That's all done. Okay. So can we retarget it now? Yes, we can. So what we'll do is we'll close this for now. We'll minimize this. We'll create them all. We'll retarget the assets. We'll go to infected. Retarget. Okay. Now, the question is, where did it put them? It put them here, which is where I expected. So we select all of them, make sure we don't have anything else, right? and then we move them into here. Okay, and then we check it out. Then we can check out these animations and see what we've got. There's something not quite right. Okay. But we're going to go with that for now. Okay. We're going to go with that for now. And we can fix it up later. Okay, so this is a matter of going from checking these out and basically trying to match them up to what our monster says. Okay. And taking it from there. Show advanced. We don't want to do that. Right, auto map. And that does the same thing. Okay, so what we'd have to have a look at is the skeleton tree here. And match these up to the right thing. Okay, so basically if we show the pelvis, right, then we go to the skeleton tree, where is the pelvis is the question. So yeah, that's right. So we go back to the retarget and we have spine 1, spine 2 and spine 3. Then we have clavicle. Right, we have upper arm, lower arm. So this is the part that's going to character neck. Right? And I'm going to say that it's left shoulder. Right? And I'm going to say the right one so right shoulder, upper arm left is left shoulder, lower arm is that one, so I'm saying that's fine. Right shoulder, right forearm, I'm going to say that's okay, that's okay. And I'm going to say everything else is okay. So we're going to save that. Right. And now I'm kind of hoping that there's something wrong on the shoulder. Now, if we open this up, this is the idle, right? And it looks like the right arm isn't right. In fact, I'm going to go as far as to say that the left, both of them aren't right. I'm going to go as far as to say that our upper arm go right arm and left arm. Okay, so we'll save that. And again, I am spitballing this because I'm not 100% sure what these should actually be. Did I actually save that? Right. So we're going to get rid of that. And now, so I don't know if I need to retarget these again. But there's something not right about the arms. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it one more go, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these animations and delete them. Okay. And once they're deleted, I am going to re-target them again. And see how that goes. Force delete. Okay. So we're going to delete them. Then we're going to go into our animations. We're going to go to that one, and then we are going to retarget to our infected zombie and retarget. Okay. Then we're going to go to our content. We're going to select all our things, and then we're going to drop them into our animations and move them. And maybe they're working now, maybe they're not. We'll soon find out. If not, we'll just carry on. Alright, I'll get my animator guy That is kind of better, but not quite. Okay, so whatever. It'll do for now. We're going to do a rage thing. Yeah, it's as if this right arm isn't quite in the right place or something, which is a bit weird, but anyway. Anyway. So what we're going to do is go into your AI. In fact, we're going to go into here. Then we're going to type in AI controller. And we're going to grab that. And select. And we're going to call it AIC. Humanoid mutant. Okay. Then we're going to go in here. We're going to create a behavior tree. So BT humanoid mutant. Then we're going to create a blackboard PB underscore humanoid underscore mutant. Then in our animations, we're going to create a animation blueprint. And it's going to be based on our I wonder if nah, maybe not. We're going to say infected zombie. Okay. So anim bp underscore humanoid underscore mutant. Keep everything, the naming conventions together. Then we are going to create a blend space. On this. We'll call it blend humanoid mutant. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a direction. That's going to be minus 180. And the maximum is going to be 180. And we're going to have a speed. And probably around about 250, I'd say. Okay. So idle idle. Okay, we're going with idle 1. Ah, where's the blend space go? Right, so drag that in there. And we've got a couple of different walks here. Right, let's have a look at them. Right, that's just a general sort of walk. And that's walking backwards. Right? I don't think we're going to need walking backwards. Actually, we might. Actually, we might. Right? So, I'm going to do a speed of minus 100 in here. Right? And I'm going to move this so we're going to have to calculate out, so we're going to have to change that to 6, right? And this has now got let's say 200. Which gives us 2. Well, let's give it 3. That's far too fast. Let's give it 150. Which means that we have 5. So we change that to 5. Right? Which means we can now set that at 0. Then our walk backward is going to be there. And our walk forward is basically going to be there. And do we have a run? We do. And that run is going to be there. Okay, now we do have a strafe left and a strafe right. And we're going to put strafe right in there and there. Okay, and that should do us for our blend space for now. And now in here we're going to grab our blend space and we're going to put it there. And in our variables we're going to have direction, and that's going to be float. And then we're going to have speed. That's going to be a float. So we're going to drag these in here. And that's going to be that. And then we're going to come in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to say mutant. Okay. And then we're going to have a look at our goat to check this out. I can copy some of this in to save us a bit of work. Right. And this is try get pawn owner stuff. So we're going to grab that and we're going to copy that. And then we're going to go to our humanoid and to our event. We're going to delete that. And then we're going to paste that. Okay. And then we're going to drag that up. Then we're going to go to here. We're going to say add a new state machine. And we're going to call it locomotion, because that's what everybody calls it. We're going to open that up and add state, idle, lock, and our output pose is going to be what we had in here. So we're going to cut that. We're going to paste that in there. Then we're going to get in here. We're going to paste that. We're going to save that. Okay. And our next thing we're going to do here is in our infected zombies, we're going to create blueprint class character BP underscore humanoid mutant. Okay. And in our mesh, we're going to use an animation blueprint, and it's going to be that one. And the skeletal mesh is going to be this one here. Okay. Then we're going to drag them down. We're going to look from the front, zoom in, and zoom in a bit more. And that looks pretty decent. Yep, that'll do us. Okay. And now we should be able to drop him into the game, and he should basically just do nothing but basically stand there in an idling position. Right. And there he is. So we're doing good. Okay. So that's fine. So our next point of call is to start setting up our behaviour tree. Right? And the first one we're going to do is we're going to get them moving. So we're going to say new destination. Okay, where it's going to select a new destination for itself and then move there, and that's the first thing it's going to do. Okay. So we're going to open this. We're going to grab a selector, and then we're going to do another selector because we'll probably end up doing that anyway, and then we'll do a sequence, right? And we're going to need a new now the interesting thing is here, tasks, set new destination. Okay, now we're going to have to set this up. Okay, and we're going to have to rename our other one. Now, the first thing we need to do here is we need to select the correct blackboard, and it's not BBGO, it's that one. Okay. So this, we rename it to V new destination, right? And well, let's have a look. Has target, right? Now has target is going to be a bool, so we'll set that up. So we're going to say has target. Then we're going to come in here and we're going to say new destination has target. Then we're going to say move to, and move to is going to be new destination. We're going to save that. And then after we move to, we're going to say wait for 5 seconds, and then it's going to select a new destination. Okay. And our next port of call is if we go into here, right, we're going to remove the event tick. We're going to have a look at our goat again, just to save time. So AIC goat, and we'll just be basically doing this type of stuff. So we'll copy this, but we'll probably not use any of it. Right, we'll just go through it. So we'll go to AIC humanoid, we'll set that up. Right, so we'll give ourselves a 0.5. Then we'll not use BT goat, we'll be using humanoid. And we probably will set this, but it's not an animal state, so we'll remove this for now. We can add it in later. Walk speed, well, we've already got a walk speed, and that can be the run speed. So all we're going to do is start our blackboard or behaviour tree running. Okay, so we're going to go to our humanoid, and he's got a character movement. Okay, so we're going to be setting his maximum to, I believe, probably it's 150 actually. I'm going to say 150, 150, and that should be us to start with. We can save that for now. Then we go to the actual humanoid itself, and we say AIC and placed in the world or spawned. Compile that. And now, hopefully, okay, well that's not doing anything. We'll see if it's running. It seems to be. Ah, we've not set has target. Okay, whatever. Oh, these are the wrong way around, that's why. Self factor, has target. Right, we're not doing anything with the has target yet, but I believe has target is actually related to the player who saw him. Okay, so it's still not moving. It is going there. Okay, so let's have a look. So it is has target. So we are looking at his target. We're picking this. Has target. V destination. Yeah, that, okay, so that's so it should be going down here. Okay, but apparently it's not. Okay, it is. So that's false. So it should be getting a location, which it does. And this is where it's failing. Right, so we're going to have to copy this. Okay. Unless and this is another task called set speed. Okay, that's for the goat to run away faster. Right, now we can amend this task. Okay. And if this fails, we just go straight to here. Okay. And that should now work. Okay, so we should be able to undo this. Press play. And now our dude is off and walking. Okay. And he's doing some stuff again. Disable breakpoint. And now he has a target. Well, he shouldn't actually. I'll need to check that out. Yeah, it has target as false. Right, so it shouldn't be going down there. Oh, it's running on the goat as well, of course, right? Now, our character isn't rotating to face the direction he should be going. Right. Okay, save that. Now, there is one other thing here. I can't remember what it's called. Right, but there is one more setting that I need to find for these, which basically you have to set it so that it kind of rotates better. Right, now I can't remember off the top of my head what it's called. I used to remember. I used to know this one off the top of my head, but I can't remember it anymore. Right, what's the movement? Okay, we can forget that. And we don't need that. And I can't remember where it is. As I said, I'm not 100% sure where it's stored. The movement thing. If I see it, I'll remember what it's called, but I can't remember off the top of my head. But it's a rotation thing. Yeah, well, apparently I can't find it. Anyway. And he's off again. So let's see. Right, so our character is off 90 degrees, I believe. So we're going to go perspective. You can see he's off 90 degrees. So, yeah. There we go. That's sorted out, and I think I'm going to leave it there, guys, for tonight. It's been a quiet one. 2 more subscribers to get to 600, so if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, it would help and get me over the 600 mark. That would be fantastic. And with that in mind, if you've enjoyed the content, hit the like and subscribe anyway. Check out the description for links to my previous game on Steam. You can add it to your wish list, that would help a lot too. And links to my Discord where everyone's welcome, and my Patreon where you can support the channel and the game. So thanks again for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.